Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn, Sarasota, and Orlando. And the next time you go to Magic Kingdom or Disney, and well, specifically Magic Kingdom, you might want to check your direction. Now, when you leave the park and you get onto a monorail, you know, the express monorail, you might do a double take because you're going to say to yourself, why are we looking at the Magic Kingdom as we go clockwise? You know, the express monorail traditionally always went counterclockwise with the resort monorail going clockwise. Now, so what that basically means is when you leave the Magic Kingdom, when you walk up and leave for the night and you walk up to the platform, you typically, that's it for the Magic Kingdom. You go in that direction and it's gone. But now, going forward, when you leave the park, you're going to get on the monorail and you're going to get another glimpse of the Magic Kingdom as you pass it, which I think is absolutely fantastic. You know, Disney is doing it for logistical reasons. So what happens is the monorail switch house or the roundhouse is actually behind Space Mountain. So by them having the monorails both go in the same direction, the switch track is right beyond where the Magic Kingdom is. So it's at pylon number 66 if you're interested. If you don't know, I drove the monorail for about 18 months, and so this is how I know this, but I just wanted to do this video because I think it's fun, because you're going to do a double take. Because anyone who goes to the Magic Kingdom a lot, even if you go a little bit and you have a really good memory, you're going to say to yourself, you know, it's one of those things where you say, so what the heck's going on here? You get on something, and then you look around and say, something's not right. I can't place it. Well, that's what it is. And I figured, you know, I haven't seen any videos done on this yet. Disney just started doing it officially November 2nd. Now, we did a Waffles event, which is our foundation that we run, October 14th, and they were actually doing it that night. So I had my first experience to be kind of in a monorail race, which is really fun now for the kids too, and everybody, because so now with the two going in the same direction, you could theoretically have a monorail race because you're looking at the people in the other monorail, the guests, and you know which monorail is going to win. You don't really know. And I just thought it was a really fun thing to do a video on. And I think everyone going to the Magic Kingdom, it's a really great addition to what they're doing right now. You know, sometimes that is something really practical. When the parks first opened, way back in the day, back in 71, they actually, Bombardier, who makes the trains, had suggested this. And Disney did it for a while, then they switched it. You know, so, okay, so what's the reason? You might say to yourself, why did Disney, if Bombardier suggested this in the beginning, and this is how they did the, how the monorail ran officially from like the first couple of years, why was it switched? Well, what happens is by making the monorail now, both of them going clockwise, in this case we're talking about the express monorail, it basically adds 1 minute onto your trip. So by having it go in this direction, when you first come to the park, you're going to have 1 more minute of anticipation. That's going to be the average, because from now, instead of like getting on at the Ticket and Transportation Center and just going through the Contemporary, now you're going to have to go through the Polynesian and then the Grand Floridian, and then you're going to come over to the Magic Kingdom. So anyway, I thought that was interesting and fun to talk about and do. Hope you enjoy your next trip at Disney. I know I do. We're annual pass holders, so we try to go as much as possible. And my friend Figment says hello to you. Happy holidays from Figment. Happy Kwanzaa. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Everything. We wish you nothing but the best. And Alan Kerry and the Waffles Foundation, we wish you nothing but the best. Have a great night. Thank you.